Schwarze Industries is one of the largest sweeper manufacturers in the world. With a product line that ranges through a variety of sweeper divisions. For over 20 years, Schwarze Industries has understood the need for powerful workhorse sweepers, which are simple to operate, easy to maintain, and highly reliable. And through the years, Schwarze Industries has strived to make each of their products better than the one before, providing you, the customer, with quality sweepers you can depend on. To maintain quality, Schwarze Industries manufactures or assembles as much of the product as possible. By using complete state-of-the-art equipment, Schwarze Industries' fabrication team transforms raw material into precise, workable shapes. These fabricated pieces are then transferred to Schwarze Industries' experienced welding department, where the sweepers start taking shape. From there, the unfinished products go to Schwarze Industries' new paint facilities, where they are skillfully painted to match the mounting chassis or, by customer request, to any of a virtually unlimited number of custom colors. Final assembly takes all manufactured parts and crafts them into a completed machine. This team assembles each sweeper unit to the exact specifications of the individual customer. Schwarze Industries takes pride in being able to provide a sweeper that will meet every customer's needs. Finally, each completed sweeper unit undergoes rigorous quality checking before it is given the Schwarze Industries stamp of approval and delivered to the customer. The Schwarze A7000, the most rugged, most reliable sweeper available for meeting the challenges of today's municipal, industrial, and heavy-duty commercial applications. Through its use of the most advanced state-of-the-art technology, the A7000 clearly sets the standard in its class. Rated one of the largest, most powerful street sweepers in America, the A7000 is quality engineered with everything you might expect from such a rugged machine. Large hopper capacity, extra wide sweeping path, simple operator controls. The A7000 is simple to operate and easy to maintain, yet powerful enough to handle the toughest jobs day in and day out. With a standard package that includes a powerful diesel engine, an abrasion-resistant steel fan, and generous water capacity. It's no surprise, the Schwarze A7000 is the preferred choice in the municipal, contractor, and industrial workplace. At Schwarze Industries, safety is our #1 concern. In the cab of the A7000, special attention has been given to both the operator's comfort and safety. The A7000 control console is well lit, and switch functions are simply grouped and clearly identified. And all are within easy reach and clear view of either side of the cab. Now let's look at specifics. The A7000, with its 8.4 cubic yard hopper, is the largest available regenerative air sweeper on the market. This large capacity allows for more sweeping time, reducing travel time to and from dump sites. Power for the A7000 is generated by a 115 horsepower turbocharged John Deere diesel engine. This gives the 10-blade, 32 3/4-inch pressure blower the power to produce a strong 15,500 cubic feet per minute of airflow, resulting in outstanding sweeping performance. The A7000's modular fan housing is rubber-lined for long life and features Schwarze Industries' exclusive Whisper Wheel blower system. The patent-pending Whisper Wheel is the sweeping industry's leading fan system because it increases the A7000's already impressive pickup ability by 7%, with a 20% reduction in fuel consumption. Perhaps most importantly, the Whisper Wheel system reduces operating noise levels by over 70%. Also featured on the fan housing is the A7000's air pressure leaf bleeder. Controlled in cab, this feature allows the operator to adjust easily to any sweeping conditions. Hydraulic power for the A7000 is generated by a direct gear-driven pump. And flow control valves feature a built-in relief system. An electrically powered hydraulic backup unit, which provides power in the unlikely event of auxiliary engine failure, is also provided as standard equipment. The A7000's efficient dust control system is supplied by a standard 220-gallon polyethylene water tank. This corrosion-resistant tank provides for the unit's entire water system. The spray nozzles are positioned in key areas on the A7000 to provide maximum dust suppression. These are controlled by a roller pump capable of approximately 300 psi of water pressure at 10 gallons a minute. An in-cab indicator light lets the operator know when the water supply is depleted. When the indicator light is on, the hydraulic motor, which drives the water pump, automatically stops, saving the motor from burning out. And refilling is quick and easy using the supplied 25-foot hydrant fill hose. On the sweeping surface, the A7000 utilizes a heavy-duty blast orifice sweeping head. This 90-inch sweeping head has a massive 3,240 square-inch surface area, capable of cleaning a very wide range of material. The sweeping head features double-belted curtains, both front and rear, 14-inch blast and suction hoses, and double-wide carbide drag shoes. Incorporating Schwarze Industries' exclusive sweeps in reverse capability, the A7000 has been skillfully engineered to operate in both forward and reverse without damaging the tow arms or sweeping head, thereby providing greater flexibility in sweeping operations. Large inspection doors for the A7000 are located on both sides of the hopper. These doors provide an easy way to manually load debris, too large to be picked up by the sweeping head, as well as providing convenient access for hopper cleaning after a full day of sweeping. Dumping for the A7000 is accomplished by the use of twin hydraulic cylinders. Hopper lift controls are located in cab and externally located at the front of the hopper. The open-close switch for the unit's rear door is located externally, providing the operator with a clear view of the dumping process while still remaining a safe distance away from the debris splash. With over a 50-degree tilt capability and a full-width rear door, dumping is made clean and efficient for the A7000. For increased workability for the A7000, the following options are available. The A7000 optional dual steering provides greater maneuverability and fewer limitations on operator visibility. An optional 220-gallon polyethylene water tank with a specially designed operator work stand is offered for the A7000. This tank, combined with the unit's existing water tank, doubles the sweeper's water capacity, as well as provides a stable surface for auxiliary engine inspection. Another option for the A7000 water system is the 7-nozzle front spray bar. This spray bar is used to saturate dusty surfaces before debris reaches the unit's sweeping head. For hopper cleanout, the optional Hopper Deluge washdown system is available for the sweeper. This system uses two cross-spray nozzles 4 feet apart, fed directly by a fire hydrant hose, which contributes significantly to hopper washdown. As optional equipment for the A7000, the mechanic pneumatic power hood was designed with a simple, common-sense approach. The 66-inch long, 12-inch diameter broom is positioned in front of the blast orifice and the pressure chamber. The angled windrowing broom features an auger design that thoroughly scrubs the pavement surface and quickly transfers loose debris directly into the path of the 14-inch suction tube, leaving only finer material for the high-pressure blast orifice, resulting in a cleaner sweeping path. Adding to the effectiveness of the A7000 are its optional single or dual 44-inch vertical steel digger brooms. Using reliable Ross torque motors, the brooms are self-adjusting for longer life. The optional in-cab controlled tilt feature allows a 27-degree angle of flexibility, so those hard-to-reach areas can be easily cleaned without the need for manual adjustment. The addition of both gutter brooms extends the total sweeping width of the A7000 to 138 inches. Another available option for the A7000 is the gutter broom extension override. In this mode, the 44-inch steel digger brooms scrub the surface immediately in front of the sweeping head. The steel digger bristles provide a powerful loosening effect just prior to the sweeping head passing over any debris which is adhered to the pavement. Just a touch of a switch extends either broom back to its normal sweeping position. The A7000's rear-mounted auxiliary hand hose is a nearly indispensable option. It is designed to clean a variety of debris which may be inaccessible to the standard sweeping head. The optional hand hose is 8 inches in diameter and stretches a full 12 feet for a wider range of cleaning. A hinged broom suspends the weight of the hose, giving the operator greater control in vacuuming debris. A variety of other options are also available for the A7000. When compared with other regenerative air sweepers, the Schwarze A7000's advanced engineering, high-performance capability, and innovative features make it the sweeper of choice in today's demanding environment. Schwarze Industries' goal is to be the best sweeper manufacturer in the world, and is very proud of the high rate of customer satisfaction and repeat business. Yet they realize that they will be judged by the quality of each and every sweeper made. Therefore, customer satisfaction and product reliability are Schwarze Industries' main concern. When you purchase a Schwarze brand sweeper, you're buying more than just a machine. You are also choosing a company that is committed to providing a product support structure that is second to none. No matter which Schwarze-built sweeper you use, you can count on satisfaction. You have the good Schwarze family name on it.